My name's Lacey. I got started about a year ago. I read Kaelin's book. I saw somebody on Instagram said, oh my gosh, this book's amazing, you have to read it. So I read it, and then she kept referring to like LadyBoss or her website, and I was like, well, what's that? So checked it out, free trial, right into lifetime membership.
Wow. Nice.
Yeah.
That happened fast?
It did.
What's happened for you since then? What's changed?
I have gained a lot of confidence, a lot of friends, a lot of accountability sisters. I've lost some clothes sizes. It's been a good change in a lot of different ways.
Yeah, sounds like it.
Yeah.
Where would you be if you hadn't done that, if you hadn't joined the community?
My last physical last year, my cholesterol levels were not great. So that was right before I joined LadyBoss. And the doctor's like, you really need to eat healthier and change some of your habits, or else we're going to have to put you on cholesterol medicine. And that was an eye-opener for me because I didn't feel like an unhealthy person, but obviously the stuff I was putting into my body was not doing good things for my body.
Right. Yeah. What do you say to someone, because there's a lot of ladies that are going to see you and there's your chance to speak into them. What do you say to someone who isn't taking action, doesn't know if they can, doesn't know what's right for them, what the heck LadyBoss is about, or if they have a place there? What do you say to that woman?
I say that everyone has a place here. It is a very unique community. Everybody's so nice and so uplifting and so supportive, and it doesn't matter what you look like or where you come from or how old you are or what race you are. Everybody just, if somebody falls down, there's like more than, tons of people to pick them up and saying, they're not going to let you fall. And everybody is just nice. Like, I think as women, we've gotten, as a culture, really like catty with each other and not supportive, like from maybe a place of jealousy or insecurities. But here, I feel like if you have a LadyBoss sister that does something that's awesome, you are genuinely like proud of her for what she did. And everybody is so amazing about, there's no talking down or mean-spiritedness in the community, which is awesome.
It is awesome. And what's been your favorite part being a LadyBoss? What's the most fun?
The new friends, I think. I have met some people over the last year that are going to be lifelong friends, and some girls that I talk to every single day about anything, really, more than just working out or food accountability, kind of people that are there for you for any reason at all. So that's probably my favorite part.